What's going on, my blessed crypto enthusiasts? You're watching Crypto Blessing, where you can find daily content on all of the trending cryptocurrency news, market analysis, and so much more. Today, as we do every other day, we are having a look at the markets, falling to $268 billion, while Bitcoin dominance remains above 48%, and Bitcoin rests at $7,591.61, with a $4.4 billion 24-hour volume. It has definitely been very turbulent times over the past 7 months, with a breath of fresh air coming halfway through July in the form of a pump that brought us at one point almost to $8,500. The retracement that we're currently dealing with started just at the end of July. Seeing a short-lived pump just yesterday, we are now back to the original retracement level. Nobody does know the future of what's going to happen in the coming weeks, but in my opinion, it remains a very pivotal time in this space. Will Bitcoin start creating higher highs, or will it go into lower lows? EthereumWorldNews.com has reported a Bitcoin price analysis earlier on today. Are the bulls ready to charge again? Looking at Bitcoin to the US dollar on Bitfinex, showing the Fibonacci retracement levels, as well as the RSI showing oversold positions. Bitcoin has pulled back on its climb over the past couple of days, but seems ready to resume the upward climb from here. Applying the Fibonacci extension tool shows the next potential upside targets. The 38.2 extension lines up with the swing high around 8,500. But stronger bullish momentum could take Bitcoin to the 50% extension at 8,600. From there, a continuation of the uptrend could test 61.8 at 8,900. And the 78.6 extension at 9,316. The full extension would be almost $10,000, while the 100 SMA is still above the longer-term 200 SMA on the same time frame, confirming that the path of least resistance is to the upside. In other words, an uptrend is more likely to resume than to reverse. However, the gap between the moving averages appear to be narrowing, indicating a weakening bullish momentum. If it keeps up this way, Bitcoin could be in for a larger pullback to the next area closer to the 200 SMA dynamic inflection point, which is below 6,800. 6,800 remains a significant psychological support level, just like 10K represents a huge psychological resistance level. The RSI is already pulling up after recently reaching oversold territory, suggesting that bulls could be ready to charge again. A bit of bullish divergence can also be seen as the price made higher lows, while the RSI had lower lows since the second week of July. The stochastic indicator is also turning higher after reaching oversold levels, which means that buyers could take control of the price once again. Bitcoin has had a rough start to the week as the catalysts haven't been exactly positive. For one, BTC announced an outage due to hardware problems, sparking fears of a hack even though they reassured their clients that the funds are safe. Cue the Korea FUD meme. This led traders to be more skeptical in reacting to the news that South Korean authorities are looking to end tax breaks to cryptocurrency exchanges, which could weigh on activity and profitability. The TradingView.com technical indicators are slightly in the sell position, with one TradingView chart showing levels to buy and showing the two significant support levels at 7,500, which is where we currently reside, and again, like I said, at 6,800. Another one is showing a bull flag that could see Bitcoin support around 77, but we've broken through that. There's still a lot of sell pressure coming in, and this analyst has a feeling that too many became desperate and have been selling around these lows, but too soon to tell, of course. Alts have been hitting big time as well, and it shows the weakness and doubts of this market. We are currently at a slightly lower low, but it is still a bullish sign. Considering where we've come from, and considering the bear market that we've endured, only seeing slight bullish activity throughout April, just prior to the consensus meetup, and then have dug quite deep, finding a bottom at 5,800 just a few weeks ago. Hopefully we can retain support above 7,300 and push to break through that 8,400 resistance level that we've already failed multiple times to breach. What do you think will happen? Are we in a bull trap and will shortly see lower lows? Comment below and let me know. Also, if you've made it this far, please hit that like button. It helps us get in more people's recommended videos and will help grow our audience and you, the blessed crypto family. Stick around because you don't want to FOMO out when this market pops off, which at this point seems like an inevitability. And keep it locked right here at Crypto Blessing. Subscribe if you haven't already and click the white bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of our content. And I will see everyone tomorrow.